Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error status breakpoint in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is simply to restart the browser. For example, if you're encountering this issue with Microsoft Edge, close it and then reopen it. The next one is to restart the computer because that will restart all of the associated services. For example, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution will be to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback and then finally click on about Microsoft Edge. Wait till it updates. The last solution is to reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, select reset settings, restore settings to their default values and then reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.